Welcome back, students. In this video, we will start statistic probability distribution functions. Okay, probability distribution functions जो हैं आपके पास binomial है, Bernoulli है, and then beta function, gamma function, normal distribution, and then there are different types of distributions. Okay, so one by one we will discuss those distribution. But before discussing those distribution, we need to understand some different types of terms. जिसमें first term that is very important in every distribution is movement generating function. Okay, movements, what are movements, why we discuss this movement generating function, that is the most important thing to focus. देखो क्या होता है in normal data, if I give you some data and I told you कि find out the average of this, so you can find out its mean, its mode, its median, geometric or harmonic mean, whatever you can do, you will do that. But what if I give you some functions? Functions के case में how will you find out कि its mean is what, its mode is what, its median is what? तो by the help of this movement generating function हम mean निकाल पाते हैं of given function. Okay, if we can find out the mean of the given function, then there will be some formula definitely. So we will discuss in movement generating function firstly कि what is this, how movements are related with this function, and how this function generates the movements. That thing we will discuss firstly. And उसके बाद में we will move towards our distributions. Bernoulli binomial distribution, gamma distribution, beta distribution. All right. Now I am starting from the definition of movement generating function. देखो इसको समझना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Movement generating function. Movement generating function क्या होता है? You have some random variable x. Now what is this random variable? स्टैटिस्टिक के अंदर अगर कोई भी चीज़ रैंडमली हो रही है तो उस चीज़ को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए एक पर्टिकुलर नोटेशन आई एम टेकिंग एंड दैट नोटेशन इज एक्स. Whatever, if the probability of this marker throwing down is if I want to represent the probability of this marker throwing down, so I will represent that probability by some random variable. ओके, तो उस रैंडम वेरिएबल को हम क्या बोलेंगे? x इस कंप्लीट कोर्स के अंदर. ओके, नाउ इन दिस मोमेंट जनरेटिंग फंक्शन वी विल यूज अ पैरामीटर t. पैरामीटर इज जस्ट लाइक अ कांस्टेंट. कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू आप एक बार में फिक्स कर दे रहे हो, यू कांट चेंज दैट एवरी टाइम. बट पैरामीटर मीन्स कि अकॉर्डिंग टू योर रिक्वायरमेंट यू कैन चेंज इट्स वैल्यू. ऑल राइट, नाउ we will denote this movement generating function by mxt, where this x is the random variable and this t is your parameter whose value I can change according to my requirement. It is not fixed. All right, now what is movement generating function? Movement generating function का जो formula है pdf or you can say pmf. Expected value of what? t. This mxt is equal to, it is the formula. Okay, अब ये कैसे बना वो बहुत लंबी स्टोरी. इट इज द कंप्लीट फॉर्मूला दैट वी विल डायरेक्टली यूज हियर. आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डिस्कस कि हाउ दिस मेड. ओके, तो ये हम डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे. इट इज इक्वल टू, फर्स्ट है e की पावर टी एक्स एफ एक्स dx. Okay, and second thing is summation over x e की power tx fx. Now why I used this thing? Sometimes जहाँ से from where your random variable x is belonging, that is some type of discrete data. Like if it is mentioned कि x is your discrete, for example x is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like every time I am telling the value what will be your next x. but continuity में in this integration में x, if x is, I will give you the starting point and I will give you the ending point, but उसके बीच में there are infinite numbers. लाइक डिस्क्रीट में क्या होगा, हेयर x इज इक्वल टू आई विल असाइन 0 1 2. आई नो कि आफ्टर 0 0.1 नहीं है उसमें, आफ्टर 0 डायरेक्टली आई विल मूव टू 1. 1 के बाद 1.5 1.2 1.6 इट इज नॉट इंक्लूडेड इन दैट, डायरेक्टली आई विल मूव टू 2. दिस इज योर डिस्क्रीट टाइप ऑफ डेटा. बट इसमें क्या होगा, आई विल जस्ट मेंशन द लिमिट कि फ्रॉम वेयर माई x इज स्टार्टिंग, and if it is required you can highlight the maximum value also. For example I am highlighting here कि say it is 3. तो 0 से 3 के बीच में every rational number, every irrational number, every integer, every natural number, every whole number, all of them will belong in this interval. यहाँ पे 0 से लेके 0.1 0.2 0.3 0.001 0.002 0.009 all of these will included. तो उस केस में I will use integration in case of summation. Summation हम वहाँ पे use करते हैं where I know कि what will be my next value. But here there are infinite numbers and I don't know exactly which number will be next, because say I am taking 0.1 और दूसरा मैंने नंबर लिया 0.4. There are these two numbers. Now in between these two numbers I can generate infinite numbers. How? See, 0.01 ऐसे लिखते हैं, 0.01, wait, 0.11 it will be greater than this, but 0.11 is less than this. 0.20 it will be greater than this, but it will be less than this. 0.200 it will be again greater than this but less than this. So like this you can generate infinite numbers और वो सारे numbers included हैं, that's why I used integration there. Okay, all right, where fx is the probability function and here we will calculate all the moments about origin. ठीक है, now देखो how it is moment generating function mxt is equal to expected value of e की power tx. Now I am going to open the formula for e की power x. What is the formula for e की power x? E की power x is opened as, I am opening here, e की power x is equal to 1 plus x square by 2 factorial plus x की 3 by 3 factorial and so on. Okay, that formula used here. Expected value as it is 1 plus, in place of that x here you have tx, so tx plus t square x square by 2 factorial plus t की 3 x की 3 by 3 factorial and so on up to so on. Now expectation, how expectation is opening, expectation ऐसे open होता है, the constants that you have वो as it is बाहर आ जाएंगे. Okay, t is a parameter, parameter भी एक तरीके से constant ही होता है, but that value you can change according to you, only this is the difference, otherwise it is also a constant. So all the constant will come outside as it is. All right, so expectation of 1 and all these are independent. Okay, expectation of 1 will be 1 constant as it is bahar, expectation of tx will be, t is the constant again, so x it will come out, and expectation of x plus t square by 2 factorial come out, expectation of t cube by 3 factorial come out, expected value of x cube up to so on. Understood? Now after this, what is the formula for expectation of x? T mu1 dash about origin, dash represents about origin, t square by 2 factorial expectation of x square mu2 dash plus t cube by 3 factorial mu3 dash and so on. Independently मुझे पता है कि next value will be 4 factorial term, after that 5 factorial term, after that 6 factorial term, all these are discrete, so I will use summation. t की power r mu r dash upon में r factorial, and r is starting from 0 up to where? Infinity. Lower limit I mentioned, upper limit infinity तक जा रही है. When you open this summation, now you will get this term. R को 0 रखो, t की power 0, 0. Here mu 0. Okay, mu 0 is 1. ध्यान रखना, mu 0 is always 1. That's why I didn't mention here. And r factorial 0 का factorial, that is 1. तो आ गई first term ऐसे ही, second ऐसे ही, third. You can calculate. So your mxt is this. Done. Now there are three properties based on this mxt. First property क्या है, अगर मैं constant से multiply करूँ इस random variable x को, then what will be your mxt function? How will that do? What will be the effect of that constant when I multiply with this function? Second thing है, if you have more than one random variable, like if you have 2, 3, 4 or n independent random variables, at that time how will open your moment generating function at that time? That thing we will do. Third है, what will be the effect of change of scale and change of origin? If you have some type of data or some type of function, if you change the origin of that function by addition or subtraction, and if you change the scale of that function by multiplication or division, so at that time what will be your moment generating function? That thing we will discuss now. All right. mcxt is equal to mxct. Okay, proof is very simple. Just open the definition. Its definition is expectation of e की t cx. Okay, and second thing mxct, expectation of e की ctx. If you multiply 2 by 3 or 3 by 2, your answer will always be same. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, both are equal. Now second property is, if x1, x2 are independent random variables, then m x1 plus x2, addition or subtraction, anything can be there, is equal to m of x1t into m of x2t. Okay, proof में how will you proceed? Just open the definition. Left hand side I am taking m of x1 plus x2t. It will be equal to, what will be definition in terms of expected value? Your expected value will be e की t x1 plus x2. Done. Now after this, what you have? Use the property of this t. I can separate it because base is same, the power will be added. I am using this property here. A की power m plus n, it is equal to a की m dot a की n. I use this property here. Done. Now in it is given to you कि both x1 and x2 are independent random variables. देखो, generally if I open the expected value for two random variables, expectation of x1 comma x2, it will be equal to expectation of x1 plus expectation of x2 minus covariance of x1 comma x2. यहाँ पे 2 आता है, covariance of x1 comma x2, ये फॉर्मूला बनता है. बट हेयर योर रैंडम वेरिएबल x1 एंड x2 आर इंडिपेंडेंट, एक दूसरे पे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है उनका. कोवेरियंस में कब होता है? जब वो रिलेटेड होते हैं. एट दैट टाइम इट विल हैव सम नॉन जीरो वैल्यू. इफ दे आर इंडिपेंडेंट देन दैट हैव जीरो वैल्यू. तो हेयर बोथ x1 एंड x2 आर independent, तो at that time covariance is 0. तो I can directly open by that formula. It will be expected value of e की t x1 into expected value of e की t x2. What is this? This is m of x1t, and what is this? M of x2t. Done. So you can generalize this result for n number of independent variables. उसमें क्या हो जाएगा? x1 plus x2 plus up to so on xn, it is equal to m of x1t, m of x2t, and up to so on m of xnt, product of all these m of xi. All right. Now third property is change of origin and scale. Change of origin and scale. Now x is the random variable and I am changing the origin of this x by addition or subtraction, scale by multiplication or division. Okay, origin be shifted by A and scale is changed by h. Now in place of x, what you have? X minus A by h. In this case, your moment generating function I am directly calculating here. ठीक है, directly I am calculating. It will be equal to expected value of e की x minus a by h t. T is multiplication with this complete term. That will be equal to e की power x t upon में h done minus a t upon में h. Now again using this property here, what I will get? Expected value of e की x t minus h into e की minus a t by h. This term is independent of h. A is some constant, h is some constant, and t in the beginning I told you it is also a constant. So this will come out as it is. So e की minus a t by में h, this will come out as it is. और e क्या होगा? e की x t by h. Done. Now it will be e की minus a t by h. यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे? Expected value of e की x t by h. So here it will be e की minus a t by h m of x t by h. Done. This is your third property of moment generating function कि what is the effect of change of scale. तो m of x minus a by h with this t, it will be this one. These are three properties of this moment generating functions.